Before it became the best-selling vehicle in the world, the Ford F-Series was a rugged workhorse that redefined the American road. Discover the 5 legendary generations that started it all. The foundation of a legend. For over 75 years, the Ford F-Series has been more than just a truck. It has been the backbone of American industry and a symbol of automotive reliability. While today's F-150s are marvels of luxury and technology, their DNA was forged in the grease and steel of the post-war era. To truly understand the F-Series, we must look back at the first 5 generations that transformed the pickup from a farm tool into a cultural icon. Number 1. The first generation, 1948 to 1952, the bonus-built era. Following World War II, Ford realized that trucks shouldn't just be car chassis with a bed attached. In 1948, they introduced the bonus-built line. This was the first dedicated truck platform for Ford, ranging from the half-ton F1 to the heavy-duty F8. The design featured integrated headlights and a wider cab, marketing living room comfort to drivers who were used to the cramped utilitarian cabins of the 1930s. It was powered by the legendary flathead V8, or a dependable straight-six. This generation set the precedent. A truck could be a primary vehicle, not just a secondary piece of machinery. Number 2. The second generation, 1953 to 1956, the birth of the F-100. In 1953, Ford celebrated its 50th anniversary by rebranding the lineup. The F1 became the F-100, a nameplate that would remain a staple for decades. This generation brought a massive leap in aesthetics and ergonomics. The hood became more bulbous, the lines smoothed out, and the interior featured improved dash layouts. 1954 was a pivotal year, marking the end of the flathead V8, replaced by the more efficient Y-block overhead valve V8. The 1956 model specifically remains one of the most sought-after classic trucks in history due to its unique wraparound windshield and vertical door pillars. Number 3. The third generation, 1957 to 1960, the modern silhouette. The third generation brought a radical styling shift that bridged the gap between vintage and modern. Ford introduced the style side bed, which integrated the rear fenders into the body of the truck for a smooth, continuous look, as opposed to the traditional flare side with separate fenders. Number 4. The fourth generation, 1961 to 1966, innovation and the twin I-beam. The early 60s saw Ford experimenting with the unibody design, where the cab and bed were one continuous piece. While sleek, it proved impractical for heavy hauling and was eventually phased out. However, the real revolution happened in 1965 with the introduction of the twin I-beam front suspension. Number 5. The fifth generation, 1967 to 1972, the bump side era. Known affectionately by enthusiasts as the bump side due to the prominent horizontal character line running along the body, the fifth generation refined the F-Series into a truly modern machine. The cab grew wider, the glass area increased for better visibility, and the trim levels became more distinct: Base, Custom, Ranger, and Ranger XLT. Federal safety regulations began to influence design, leading to padded dashes and integrated reflectors. By the end of this generation, in 1972, the F-Series had firmly established its dominance. It was no longer just a vehicle for the field, it was the vehicle for the American family. Thanks for watching.